Video classes. Now in this video we will discuss about 7th standard history second chapter new kings and kingdoms. Dear student, previous video we discussed what a situation have been created and how to develop some of the dynasties in different regions. Okay, so the warfare and for the wealth, how to processing in this fact and how to win other dynasties. So everyone's are opposite for the different emperor. Okay, so the everyone's willingness to what have to achieve or he was conquer opposition's regions, opposition's territories. So now the emergence different subcontinent, different types of dynasties. Okay, so now one case study is one example we going on a closer look the Cholas. Okay, these are the Cholas. These dynasties are emergence and which type he was established. His dynasties are which type develop his territories. Every department or every faculties how to develop. Okay, so this we can understand this dynasties. Okay, so there are many dynasties have Gujara, Patira, Rashtrakutas. Okay, so this only we discussing here the Cholas dynasties. Okay, look at this on India map where are founding these Cholas dynasties in the southern regions. Okay, this is a blackish reddish color have here. They have more areas have founded by this Cholas dynasties. Okay, these are the southern region. So okay, so how from Udaipur to Tanjavur, mean this region to this region, Udaipur to Tanjavur, how to set up this power, how to rise this power. Okay, so how did the Cholas rise to power? Rise to power. A minor chiefly family is known as the Muttarayur held power in the Kaveri Delta. Okay, these are the Kaveri Delta. Kaveri Delta or Kaveri River. Here have the Delta region means the Kaveri's mouth. This is the last range. These are mid the ocean. That before area. This what a Delta area. So these are the chiefly family known as the Muttarayur held power in the Kaveri Delta. They were subordinate to the Palwa king of the Kanchipuram. Okay, so they were subordinate to the Palwa kings of Kanchipuram. They have the subordinate. They have subordinate means simple the Palwa kings of Kanchipuram. So Vijayalaya, who belonged to the ancient chiefly family of the Cholas from Udaipur. So these are the Vijayalaya. These are the emperor. He was emperor. He belonged to the ancient chiefly, means too much years before, means starting time. He was the chiefly family of the Chola from Udaipur. Captured the delta from the Muttarayur in the middle of the 19th century. Means this the Kaveri regions have in hand who have Muttarayur in the middle of the 19th century में इसके हाथ में था, इसके हाथ में Muttarayur. तो इससे क्या किया उसने जीत लिया, किसने विजयालय ने. He built the town of Tanjavur and the temple for goddess Nishambuddhini. There, which temple's goddess? God names. Look at this. Nishambuddhini. How to difficult to have this? Nishambuddhini. These are the temples are built in this region. Where in Kaveri or this region are Tanjavur. Tanjavur में कौन सा goddess temples built किया? So in the Tanjavur and the temple for goddess is Nishambuddhini. Okay, so this is the temple. The successors of Vijayalaya conquer neighboring regions and the kingdoms grow in size and power. So Vijayalaya what have growing this power? He was a capture this Muttarayur in the 19th century. These regions are he was captured and built this temple. Then these are the successors of Vijayalaya. As successive are achieving Vijayalaya every region. Then he was a conquer neighboring regions. He was again starting. He was established our territory. He was neighboring regions and the kingdoms grow in the size and power. अपना साम्राज्य उसने क्या किया, बढ़ाने का स्टार्ट कर दिया. So the Pandyan and the Pallava territories to the south and north were made part of this kingdom. So they have the Pandyan dynasties and Pallava territories to the south region and north have made part of this kingdom. क्या बनाया उधर, उस territories बना दिया. So Rajendra Rajaraja first, we have there Rajaraja first. Next Vijayalaya के बाद, Vijayalaya this emperor after Rajaraja first consider the most powerful Chola ruler. This was a question arise here. Which is the powerful king ruler of Chola dynasty? So Rajaraja first is considered the most powerful Chola ruler. Become king in 1985 and expanded control over most of this area. After Vijayalaya, these are the Rajaraja first became a most powerful king. Then he was expanded this area of this area. उसने क्या किया, अपना एरिया क्या करने लगा, बढ़ाने लगा. मीन्स चोला डायनेस्टी से का उसने क्या किया, एक्सटेंडेड करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. He also recognized the administrations of the emperor. They also are recognized looking or looking which type of some of the kings are doing administration. He was set up rightly administration. Rajaraja's son Rajendra first. Okay, these are the understanding what we have. Rajaraja's son Rajendra first continued his policy and even raided the Ganga valleys. Okay, Vijayalaya के बाद कौन आया, Rajaraja's first. Okay, then Rajaraja's son to Rajendra. He was a continue. Means what I say, dynasty is meaning what? After one king, these same families are became a king. उसी फैमिली का क्या बनेगा, वो किंग बनता. देखो अभी राजा वो अभी खत्म हुआ, वो डेड हो गया. तो उसके बाद उसका सन राजेंद्र फर्स्ट आया. He was continue his policy. मीन्स राजा ने जो स्टार्ट करके दिया था, जिसने एक्सटेंडेड किया था, वही पॉलिसी क्या करने लगा, वो कंटिन्यू करने लगा. So policies and even raided the Ganga Valley, Sri Lanka and countries of Southeast Asia, developing a navy for their expansions. So these are the region, these are the countries in southern region, southeast region. Countries are developing a navy for this expansions. इस region में भी उसने क्या किया, अपने navy के साथ, ship के साथ उधर अपना एरिया बढ़ाने का स्टार्ट कर दिया. Next one, splendid temples and bronze sculptures. Splendid means different types of shape have their splendid temples. Temples बनाए and bronze sculptures बनाए. Sculpture है ना, means मूर्ति. Okay. So the big temples of Tanjavur and Gangaikonda, Cholapuram built of Rajarajas and Rajendra. These are the regions. Tanjavur regions are Nishabuddin Shah. These are the temple built. Okay. Then after the Tanjavur and Gangaikonda, Cholapuram built by Raja and Rajendra. These are the temples. Are architectural and sculptural marvels. Means these are the temples are founding are too much are the architecture and sculptures are too much nicely they have a marvels. They are made. उधर बहुत अच्छा डिजाइन के साथ उन्होंने क्या किया, टेम्पल्स बनाया. So किसने, राजा एंड राजेंद्र ने. Chola temples often become the nucleus of settlements which grow around them. So only are temples not built. Means there have temple made, then there are nuclear some settlements. Nuclear settlement means उस टेम्पल के आसपास कुछ हाउसेस बन गए, कुछ सेटलमेंट, कुछ पीपल आकर उधर क्या रहने लगे, वो आकर उधर रहने लगे. उसने उन्होंने क्या बनाया, अपने हाउस बनाया, उधर ट्रेड स्टार्ट हुआ. उन्होंने अपना शॉप ओपन किया. Which grow around them like this are our have nearest our Shirdi. Okay, Shirdi Sai Baba temple. So only temple have there? No. So there around have some of the villages, some of the houses. Okay, like this. So nucleus of settlements which grow around them. These were सेंटर्स ऑफ क्राफ्ट्स प्रोडक्शन, सेंटर्स ऑफ क्राफ्ट प्रोडक्शन। उधर क्या बना, उधर सेंटर किसका बना, क्राफ्ट प्रोडक्शंस का बना। डिफरेंट हैंडक्राफ्ट्स है, डिफरेंट स्मॉल कॉटन क्राफ्ट्स है, हाँ क्लॉथ का है वो बनाया। टेम्पल्स वेयर आल्सो endowed with land by rurals as well as by others. So these are the temples also endowed with land by rurals as well as by others. The produce of this land went into maintaining all the specialties who work at the temple and very often lived near it. So there have some land, space land, वो क्या करने लगे, कल्टीवेट करने लगे। और जो भी इनकम होता था उस टेंपल के आजू बाजू के जो लैंड से, तो उससे क्या मेंटेन किया जाता था, ऑल द स्पेशलिटीज हु वर्क एट द टेंपल एंड विल ऑब्टेन लिव इन इट। उस टेंपल में जो भी रहते थे और जो भी डिपेंडेंट थे उस टेंपल पे, मींस उसकी पूजा अर्चा करने के लिए अदर पर्सन, उनका मेंटेनेंस किया जाता था। सो लिव नियर इट प्रेस्टीज, ओके, पुजारी नहीं ना, हाँ, गार्लैंड मार्केटर्स, हाँ, वो बनाती थी वो डिफरेंट क्राफ्ट्स, कुक्स, स्वीपर्स, म्यूजिशियंस, dancers, etc. In other words, temples were not only place of worship, they were the hub of economic, social and cultural life as well. So these are the temples are not only a built up only a worship, सिर्फ पूजा अर्चा करने के लिए तो टेम्पल्स नहीं बनाया था। तो उस टेम्पल में ये जो some peoples are living there, this type of prestige, garland makers, cook, sweepers, musicians, dancers, वो सब people उधर रहते थे और उनका मेंटेनेंस कैसा किया जाता था, उस nearest some of the land there are the cultivate and there are the productions, then after this maintaining this all specialties. So there are question, which is the specialties are living in the temple? So in the temple are living prestige, garland makers, cooks, sweepers, musicians and dancer. And this are the temple is not only a worship, like these are the हम पूजा अर्चना नहीं करेंगे. So these are temples are have a hub of economic, social and cultural life. Cultural life भी उधर बन गया, okay. Social ट्रांसपेरेंट भी होता था, ट्रेड भी होता था and economical activity भी हो जाता था. So these are the importance of this region. So look at these are the sculpture have this bronze sculpture have this and temple again look at is your textbook, like these are the temples are built in there is the nice sculptures, okay, and architecture के साथ तो क्या डिजाइन के साथ तो बनाया है. then have the nearest land here, उसको देखभाल करने के लिए तो सब पीपल्स चाहिए ना, उसका उनका मेंटेनेंस करना पड़ता था. So next point is okay here, amongst the crafts associated with temples, the making of bronze image was the most distinctive. Chola bronze image are considered amongst the finest in the world, while most image were of deities, sometimes image were made of devotees as well. So these are in the Chola period, Chola dynasty, some of the images, some of the sculpture have made in the bronze. Bronze से वो क्या हुए थे, वो बनाए थे. They have the almost finest in the world. So they have the every words have they consider. They have every word have all world have like it. These sculptures, okay. So while most images were made in the deities of जो images है, जो भी sculptures है, वो किस लिए बनाते थे, पूजा अर्चा करने के लिए भी बनाते थे. अपने जो भगवान को जो मानते थे उनके जो क्या बनाते थे, वो स्कल्पचर्स बनाते थे. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन, एग्रीकल्चर एंड इरिगेशन मेथड, हाउ टू डेवलप इन दिस Chola dynasties. Okay, many of the achievement of the Cholas were made possible through new development in agriculture. Okay, agriculture is also have a new development, new technique. These people have using our Cholas dynasty. This Vijayalaya, Rajendra Rajaraja, first Rajendra. They have the making a new schemes, a new technique using a supported a farmer. So look at the map to again notice that the river Kaveri, there are Kaveri region, Kaveri delta have been Vijayala. So Kaveri branches up into several small channels before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. These channels overflow frequently, depositing a fertile soil or on their banks. Water from the channels also provides the necessary moisture for agriculture, particularly the cultivation of rice. Okay, these are the Kaveri delta regions. Which type have fertile regions? Means delta regions where before the meet Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal को मिलने से पहले जो एरिया बन जाता था वो क्या रहता था? Totally have a fertile land and Kaveris have became in the mouth of too much channels. जो branches बहुत सारे बन कर जाते थे. हाँ, जिधर से भी रास्ता मिला वो जाकर बे ऑफ बंगाल को मिल जाता था. That before are making some of the ground level or have a fertile soil have there. That irrigation method are frequently are connected there, fertile soil on their banks. Water from the channels so providers are mostly there. That they are the moisture are continue. These are the fertile soil. So agriculture is there developed or particularly the cultivation of rice. So उस regions में उस deltic regions में fertile soil रहती थी. Okay, water भी availability रहता था उधर continually. So there have mostly are cultivate rice. Rice no yes. Although agriculture had developed earlier in other part of the Tamil Nadu, it was only from the 5th or 6th century that this area was opened up for large scale cultivation. Forests had to be cleared in some regions, land had to be level in other areas. Okay, so in the development of agriculture, where in the other parts of Tamil Nadu, means Tamil Nadu, some of the regions have developed agriculture. It was from the 5th and 6th century में उधर क्या हुआ development start हुआ and the open space or area was open up from large scale cultivation this region. सब जैसे बहुत सारा regions किसके अंदर आ सके cultivation के अंदर आ सके. That's why they have the cutting the forest. They have the cutting forest and clear the land and some regions land had to be level in the other areas. So this land have not levelized. उसको भी क्या किया level कर दिया. And in the delta regions, embankments had to be built to prevent flooding and canals had to be constructed to carry water to the fields. In many areas, crops were grown in a year. And this delta area, they have to store some water. Okay, so they have made or constructed canals, wells, and they have to, this water are transported in other place. That's why these are the too much areas are came under cultivation. So water मिलने के बाद बहुत सारा एरिया क्या आने लगा वो उस पर फार्मिंग करना स्टार्ट होने लगा. So firstly they have cutting forest and clear this land. So carry water to the field. In many areas 2 crops were grown in a year. That's why the possible so much places are so much region, so much field have taken a minimum 2 crops of 1 a year. Like this, our regions have we have taken 2 or 3 crops 1 a year. That's why they have the carry water in the field. Then these people have taken 2 crops in 1 a year. In many cases, it was necessary to water crops artificially. A variety of methods were used for irrigation. So they have used the different types of variety. Look at this here. These are the figure in the 19th century. Okay, in the this canals or this rivers storage water and regular and he was transported this water. This firstly he was checking water which level have this water. उसके बाद वो क्या करते थे water transfer किया जाता था under the ground. So variety of methods were used for irrigation. In some areas wells were dug. Some of the areas wells are dug. To other places huge tanks were constructed to collect rainwater. उन्होंने सब प्लेसेस पे टैंक्स भी कंस्ट्रक्ट किए, इसलिए रेन वाटर का भी करते थे वो स्टोर करके रखते थे. रिमेंबर दैट इरिगेशन वर्क रिक्वायर प्लानिंग, सो ऑर्गेनाइजिंग लेबर एंड रिसोर्सेस, मेंटेनिंग दिस वर्क एंड descending on how water is to be shared. Most of the new rurals as well as people living in the village took an active interest in this activity. So they have constructed a tanks, dug the wells and store the water. That's why it's possible the two crops have taken in one year. Okay, so they have the proper planning. Irrigations method have required the planning. So they have the organizing the labor and resources. So they have using. They given work opportunities. So these villages people they using the some resources, maintaining these works and descending the how water is to be shared. कैसे वो water सबको बराबर सबके फार्म को बराबर जाना चाहिए. Like this our regions also have some of the canals. Mula Dam have here, the Bandadara Dam have. Okay, then too much canals have. They directly came no water in our canals. Okay, so this type he shared most of the new rurals as well as people having a village. So that's why this is the water or irrigation method have developed. That's why some of the peoples and kings are coming there and living there. Why? Because of here have irrigation method are developed. So took an active interest in this activity. So इस तरह से irrigation में क्या करते थे? Interest दिखाते थे. Activity different activity में वो भी क्या करते थे? Participate होते थे. Okay, so dear student, in this agriculture and the irrigation method of in the Chola dynasties, in the where going on this in Chola dynasty में इस प्रकार agriculture का irrigation का क्या हुआ system develop हुआ and they have made a this different types of sculptures and architectural temples. Okay dear student, in this video discuss with this point. Now next video we starting the in the Chola dynasties administration of the emperor this point. Okay, so now your work what have read this chapter carefully. Okay, and write down the difficult word meaning. Okay, this is your important work now. Okay, thank you.